Ever wondered what are the essential clothing items every man should own? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the crucial world of men's fashion, exploring the importance of a versatile and well-rounded wardrobe. We'll be your guide through the labyrinth of style, offering practical advice as we discuss 10 essential clothing items that form the backbone of any man's closet. From key basics to statement pieces, we've got you covered. So buckle up as we delve into the world of men's fashion essentials, starting the list with the absolute non-negotiables. First up, we have the well-fitted suit, an essential piece that serves as your armor for formal occasions, weddings, job interviews, or that important business meeting. A well-tailored suit always gives the impression of sophistication and professionalism. Next, we have the classic white dress shirt. It's the Swiss Army knife of your wardrobe. Pair it with your suit for a formal look, or wear it untucked with jeans for a smart casual vibe. It's crisp, clean, and always in style. Lastly, let's not forget about a pair of dark jeans. Why dark? Well, they're versatile. They can be dressed up with a blazer and loafers for a night out, or kept casual with a t-shirt and sneakers for a weekend jaunt. Plus, they're more forgiving on stains and wear than their lighter counterparts. These three items form the backbone of any man's wardrobe. Moving forward, let's add some more versatility to your wardrobe. Our fourth essential item is the classic t-shirt. It's the backbone of any casual outfit. Whether you prefer a crew neck or a V-neck, a solid color or a graphic print, a classic t-shirt is a perfect match for jeans, shorts, or even under a blazer for a smart casual look. Next up, the leather jacket. This is a timeless piece that adds a touch of ruggedness and sophistication. It's perfect for cooler weather and can be paired with anything from a t-shirt to a button-down. Our sixth item is the versatile pair of chinos. Chinos walk the fine line between casual and formal. They can be worn to the office, to a Sunday brunch, or even for a night out on the town. Pair them with a crisp button-down shirt or a casual t-shirt, and you're set. With these items, you're well on your way to a versatile and stylish wardrobe. To round off our list, we have 4 more essentials. A pair of sneakers for those casual days out, a quality belt, not just holding your pants up, but tying your look together. Next, a versatile blazer, perfect for dressing up a casual outfit or for those more formal occasions. Finally, a pair of dress shoes, because nothing beats the classic elegance they bring to an ensemble. Each of these items adds a unique touch to your wardrobe, making it well-rounded and versatile. And there you have it, the 10 essential clothing items every man should own. So there you have it, gentlemen. We've journeyed through the 10 essential items, each a key player in a man's wardrobe. These investments will amplify your style and versatility. Remember, a well-rounded wardrobe is not about having lots of clothes, but the right ones. Until next time, keep it stylish.